How to make right configuration for H3C WA7320i. What to do if wrongly done with it. This article explains how to configure H3C WA7320i safely and recover quickly from mistakes using Comware-style change control. It distinguishes running versus startup versus next startup configs, and emphasizes preventing the classic worked until reboot issue by using save safely and setting main plus backup next startup configuration files. It recommends verification steps: display startup, display save configuration, and display diff before and after changes. For recovery, it highlights rollback options: local configuration replace file, remote rollback via FTP, TFTP, break glass server settings, and using configuration execute file. For smaller targeted deployments when full replace is slow or risky. It warns about common pitfalls: lockouts from bad SSH VTY setup, editing config files off-box, format issues, encryption blocking diff view, replace operations removing missing settings, scheduled rollback sensitivity to system time, and archiving mode conflicts.